Unveiling the meaning of top honors. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're going to decode a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard in academic and professional contexts, top honors. Stay with us as we explore what it means, how you can use it, and some examples to help it stick. So, let's dive in. The phrase, top honors, refers to the highest awards, recognition, or grades given in a competitive environment. It's a term that's often associated with academic excellence or outstanding performance in a particular field. When someone receives top honors, they have achieved the best possible distinction. It's a moment of pride and celebration for the individual or group that has worked hard to earn this recognition. Let's break it down. The word top suggests the highest position or ranking. When we think of top, we imagine nothing above it. It's the pinnacle of success. The word honors indicates awards or accolades given to someone because they have done something commendable. Together, top honors combines the idea of being at the highest rank with the concept of receiving awards for excellence. Now, how do we use top honors in sentences? It's pretty straightforward. You'll often hear it in educational settings, such as, "She graduated with top honors from her university." "Our team won top honors at the science fair." It can also be used more broadly in other contexts, like, "The film received top honors at the International Festival." "He took top honors in the cooking competition." If you want to mix up your language a bit, there are several synonyms for top honors that carry a similar meaning. You might hear highest distinction, first prize, gold medal, summa cum laude in academic contexts. Using these synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing and also help you better understand when others use them. Congratulations on adding another phrase to your English toolkit. Top honors is a phrase that signifies excellence and the highest level of achievement. We hope this video helps you understand and use top honors confidently in your conversations. If you've enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and take care.